Good morning, children. Good morning. Very good morning, children. Good morning, children. Good morning. Yes. Today we will continue chapter weather, climate, and adaptation of animals. In the previous class, you have studied what is weather. Weather is the state of the atmosphere at a particular time and region with respect to some elements of weather like temperature, humidity, rainfall, precipitation, wind, atmospheric pressure, cloudiness, etc. Weather is very important in our life. When you wake up in the morning, you want to know about the weather and you do your planning according to the weather. For instance, if it is hot and sunny day, you wear cotton clothes which are of light color. If it is chilly day, you wear sweater. If it is rainy day, you use your raincoat. Okay, so the most important thing, one of the most important things, when you wake up in the morning, you notice your weather. If you have to go for picnic or if you have to go to attend some marriage ceremony, then you need to know the weather because accordingly you carry your luggage. Okay, children? So, weather is very important in our day to day life. We select our food also according to weather. When we wake up in the morning, we say ना what weather is मौसम. आज का मौसम कैसा है और मौसम के ही अनुसार आप अपने कपड़े को सेलेक्ट करते हैं. अगर आप बाहर निकल गए हैं, आप अपने लगेज को भी प्रिपेयर करते हैं मौसम के अनुसार, है ना. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू पिकनिक, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू spend vacation outside the station, out of station, so you need to know the weather. And weather means the average state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place with respect to some elements of weather like cloudiness or atmospheric pressure, wind, temperature, humidity, precipitation, etc. Okay, children, you know, yesterday I had called my friend on in the afternoon, and due to weather she couldn't come because there was heavy rainfall, due to which there was water logging near her house and she couldn't come to my house. It was due to weather. So, you know, children, it is my experience of yesterday. Yesterday, I called my friend in the afternoon, and We had decided I had made some delicious food, chicken, but she couldn't come because the weather was good. There was heavy rain, to which there was water logging. And what I mean to say that weather plays very important role in our life. Okay, and therefore we should know what is weather. Weather means मौसम. आज का मौसम कैसा है, यह वेदर है. So, this weather means weather. Weather is the average state of the atmosphere at a particular time and place with respect to some elements of weather like cloudiness, rainfall, precipitation, wind, atmospheric pressure, temperature, humidity, etc. Did you understand, children? Yesterday, day before yesterday, you had read what is weather. Now, what is meteorology? It is the branch of science that deals with the study of weather and weather forecasting. Okay, weather and weather forecasting is studied in this branch of science and it is called meteorology. And the scientists who study about the weather and weather forecasting are called meteorologists. Okay, meteorologists, scientists who study about weather and weather forecasting. Okay, what? Repeat your question. Ah, yes, yes, it is also correct. One who studies about the meteorology means one who studies about weather and weather forecasting. Okay, are called meteorologist. And you have also studied about the elements of weather like temperature. Temperature means degree of hotness or coldness of the air. That you have read. And you know, children, it is uh, all of you know that the maximum temperature is recorded at which time? During mid afternoon. It is 100% question. You can underline in the book. Yes, during mid afternoon, the temperature is the highest temperature, and the lowest temperature is recorded just before sunrise. That is dawn. Dawn and dusk. Dawn before sunrise and before sunset. What is the timing called? That is dusk. So during the dawn time, dawn means just before sunrise, the temperature is minimum. So you can underline it is sure short question, 100% sure question. What is the when there is maximum temperature, when there is minimum temperature during the day. Maximum temperature is during mid afternoon and minimum temperature is just before sunrise, that is dawn. Okay, then you have read, children. Yes, you have also read, children. What is humidity? The amount of water vapor present in the air is called humidity. And yes, and it also affects the weather. In the similar way, you have read cloudiness, wind, atmospheric pressure. Wind means horizontal movement of air. Atmospheric pressure means force of the air divided by area of that place. Okay. P means force by area. Force of the air divided by area of that place is called atmospheric pressure. So these are the elements of weather which determine the weather. Weather means the state of the atmosphere, okay, at a particular time and place with respect to the elements of weather. All right, children? Yes. Wind is formed due to difference in atmospheric pressure at different places. Okay, children? You should know that during, listen, I am explaining. During the daytime, when the land becomes very hot, due to the heat of the sun, the land becomes very hot. Now, the air above the land becomes very hot, and this air, when it becomes hot, it becomes lighter and it rises up. Now, near the land surface, the pressure of air reduces. Okay. Now, the near the sea, the pressure of the air is high. So, the air from the high pressure region rushes towards the land surface to take its place. Since here the air pressure is low, so air from the region of high pressure rushes towards this place where the air pressure is low. So you see, children, this horizontal movement of air from high pressure to low pressure. Now you see, the air starts to move from high pressure to low pressure region, and you see this moving air is called wind. In this way, wind is created due to difference in the atmospheric pressure at different places. Did you understand? एयर प्रेशर में डिफरेंस होता है, हर जगह एयर का प्रेशर इक्वल नहीं होता है, जिसकी वजह से जहां पर एयर प्रेशर कम होता है वहां पर आने लगती है हवा, कहाँ से? जहां एयर प्रेशर ज्यादा रहता है। जैसे अभी आपने पढ़ा ना कि ये सी ब्रीज में बताई, दिन के समय में लैंड का सरफेस ज्यादा गर्म हो जाता है सन के साइन की वजह से, और जब लैंड गर्म होता है तो इसके पास की हवा बहुत गर्म हो जाती है, और गर्म होने से वो लाइट हो जाती है, हल्की हो जाती है और राइज अप ऊपर चली जाती है। तो जहां से हवा ऊपर चली गई तो यहाँ पर एयर का प्रेशर कम हो गया। अब जहां पर एयर का प्रेशर ज्यादा है सी के पास, ठीक है, वहां पर से हवा रश करती है, चलती है किस तरफ? जहां पर एयर का प्रेशर कम है। तो यही जो एयर मूव करती है हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में, इसी को विंड कहते हैं। और इसी डिफरेंस ऑफ एयर प्रेशर की वजह से स्टॉर्म भी आता है, साइक्लोन भी होता है। स्टॉर्म, यू अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन? आंधी, है ना? तो ये सारी बातें क्यों, साइक्लोन का, एंटी साइक्लोन, ये सब का वजह क्या है? ड्यू टू डिफरेंस इन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर के डिफरेंस की वजह से ही ये एयर विंड भी चलता है और साइक्लोन भी आता है, स्टॉर्म भी आता है। सबका वजह है डिफरेंस इन एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर। ठीक है, आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बच्चों के साथ के थे। आई जस्ट रीकैपिटुलेट। Now today you will read weather, sorry, climate. Climate, climate means what? हाँ, कर सकते हैं। तो अब हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि what is climate? Climate is the average state of the weather for long interval of time, over a long interval of time at a particular place and time. बहुत लंबे समय तक जब वेदर रिकॉर्डिंग करते हैं ना मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट, यही हेल्प करता है उनको क्लाइमेट के बारे में बताने में। मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट्स रिकॉर्ड वेदर every day. They record the weather condition every day, and this recording of weather for a long interval of time helps them to determine the climate of the particular place. So, climate is the average weather in a particular region over a long period of time. एवरेज वेदर कैसा रहता है बहुत समय तक, लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक, इसी को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, क्लाइमेट। ठीक है। द वर्ड क्लाइमेट कम्स फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड क्लीमा, ग्रीक वर्ड क्लीमा दैट इज इंक्लिनेशन टू द सन, झुका हुआ है ना। दिस क्लाइमेट कम्स फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड क्लीमा, क्लीमा मीन्स द इंक्लिनेशन ऑफ द सन, सन किस तरफ इंक्लाइंड है, किस तरफ झुका हुआ है, उसी पर डिपेंड करता है। अगर किसी देश पर बहुत दिनों तक हॉट रहता है, गर्मी ज्यादा पड़ती है, तो रहता है हॉट क्लाइमेट, हॉट एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट। और कहीं पर बहुत दिनों तक लो रहता है तो वहां पर क्लाइमेट कैसा होगा, क्लाइमेट। तो ये जो है क्लाइमेट इज यूजफुल फॉर वेदर फॉरकास्टिंग, वेदर फॉरकास्टिंग के लिए क्लाइमेट बहुत जरूरी है। इट हेल्प्स टू डिटरमाइन व्हेन इट और वेदर और क्लाइमेट पता होने से फार्मर्स को भी बहुत आसानी होती है अगर वो क्लाइमेट के बारे में जानते हैं कि किस तरह का क्रॉप्स उनको उगाना है। ठीक है। तो क्लाइमेट और फोरकास्ट मीन्स प्रेडिक्शन, किसी चीज के बारे में भविष्यवाणी करना। ठीक है। वेदर एंड वेदर फोरकास्टिंग मीन्स, फोरकास्ट मीन्स प्रेडिक्शन, कैसा वेदर रहेगा। जैसे हम लोग कैसे इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करते हैं, वी गैदर द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द वेदर विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंटरनेट, न्यूज़पेपर, है ना, टीवी, टेलीविजन, वी सी टेलीविजन in the news at the end weather broadcasting is told about which type of weather will be today, है ना। तो this is very important thing in our life because our planning according to weather. I gave you one example. Yesterday I had called my friend and we had decided to take our afternoon meal together, but we couldn't due to bad weather. It was heavy rain. Due to heavy rainfall, and there was failure of planning. Planning was failed. So we do planning whether we have to go to picnic, whether we have to attend any marriage ceremony, or for any other purpose. If we have to go out from our house, we plan according to our weather. So weather is very important thing in our life, one of the most important things in our life. And the average state of the weather for a long interval of time at a particular place or at a particular region is called climate. So ये आप देख रहे हैं कि वेदर का कैसा होगा बहुत लंबे समय तक, लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम तक, इसी को लोग कहते हैं क्लाइमेट। ठीक है। क्लाइमेट मीन्स एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन over a long period of time at a particular place. And this weather is derived from which word? Greek word klima, means inclination of the sun. ठीक है। It is not the same as weather. Rather, it is the average pattern of weather for a particular region. Weather और climate वेदर और क्लाइमेट में डिफरेंस पूछता है, आप लोग इसको अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए। वेदर इज द एवरेज एटमॉस्फेरिक एट ए पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड प्लेस with respect to some elements like temperature, humidity, etc. And climate is the average weather condition over a long period of time at a particular region. ठीक है। बहुत समय तक वेदर कैसा रहता है, यही क्लाइमेट है। लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए एवरेज वेदर, तो इसको हम लोग क्लाइमेट कहते हैं। ठीक है। प्लेस दैट डज नॉट लिसन व्हेन आई एम teaching you, that time interfere. When I will raise the question, that time you have to reply. Okay. So you have seen that a place that does not get much rain over many years will have a dry climate. If a place does not get rainfall for a long time, the climate is dry climate. And a place where it stays cold for most of the year would have a cold climate. Dry and cold climate, you understood, children? If a place does not receive rainfall for a long interval of time, then the climate is dry climate. अगर किसी जगह पर बहुत दिनों तक बारिश नहीं होती है तो वहां का क्लाइमेट कैसा होगा? ड्राई होगा। एंड इफ अ प्लेस हैज कोल्ड वेदर फॉर लॉन्ग टाइम, अगर साल में काफी दिनों तक ठंड रहती है, इफ अ प्लेस हैज कोल्ड वेदर फॉर लॉन्ग इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, देन इट इज कॉल्ड कोल्ड वेदर, कोल्ड क्लाइमेट। सॉरी, अभी हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं क्लाइमेट के बारे में। तो दो तरह का क्लाइमेट अभी आपने देखा, ड्राई क्लाइमेट जहां पर बारिश साल में बहुत दिनों तक नहीं होती है। अ प्लेस इफ इट डज नॉट रिसीव रेनफॉल over long time of the year is called, then this place has dry climate. And if a place has low temperature over a long period of time of the year, then the place has cold climate. ठीक है। अगर कहीं पर टेम्परेचर कम रहता है दिनों तक साल के, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं वहां पर का क्लाइमेट कोल्ड है। तो क्लाइमेट इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर वेदर फोरकास्टिंग। वेदर को फोरकास्ट करने के लिए क्लाइमेट बहुत जरूरी है। और किस चीज में जरूरी है क्लाइमेट? क्लाइमेट ऑफ फार्मर्स टू क्रॉप कल्टिवेटेड एट अ पार्टिकुलर टाइम। ये फार्मर्स को भी हेल्प करता है कि कौन सा क्रॉप वो खेत में लगाएंगे। तो क्लाइमेट का दो यूज आपने पढ़ा चिल्ड्रन। तो क्लाइमेट हेल्प्स इन वेदर फोरकास्टिंग। सेकेंड, इट हेल्प्स द फार्मर्स टू सेलेक्ट द क्रॉप टू बी कल्टिवेटेड इन द फील्ड। किस तरह का क्रॉप को वो उगाएंगे खेत में, ये भी वेदर क्लाइमेट से हेल्प मिलता है। तो इस तरह से आप देख रहे हैं कि क्लाइमेट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Climate is described in terms of the familiar elements of the weather. क्लाइमेट में भी वेदर के एलिमेंट आते हैं, क्योंकि ये एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन नहीं है, इसलिए क्लाइमेट के एलिमेंट्स हैं वेदर के, वही क्लाइमेट में भी इंक्लूड किए जाते हैं, जैसे टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी, रेनफॉल एक्सेट्रा। ओके। अभी आप अब देखिएगा, बोलिए। वेदर डेली का होता है, जैसे अभी मैं बताई ना मौसम, आज का मौसम कैसा है। आप जब भी सुनते होंगे न्यूज में वेदर होता है, क्लाइमेट का फोरकास्टिंग नहीं होता है। तो डेली का जो वेदर आज का कैसा रहेगा, यही वेदर है। ठीक है। वेदर इज फॉर शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। इट इज द स्टेट एटमॉस्फेयर शॉर्ट इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम with respect to some elements. I have already discussed the elements, and this climate is the average weather condition over long interval of time at a particular region. बहुत लंबे समय तक जो वेदर का रिकॉर्डिंग होता है ना, वही क्लाइमेट है। साल में मान लीजिए 5 महीने ठंड पड़ती है या 8 महीने बारिश नहीं होती है, तो वहां का क्लाइमेट कैसा होगा? ड्राई क्लाइमेट होगा। साल में काफी दिन तक जब बारिश नहीं होगी तो क्लाइमेट क्या होगा? ड्राई क्लाइमेट। हाँ, ड्राई क्लाइमेट होगा क्योंकि बारिश नहीं होगी, इसलिए ड्राई क्लाइमेट, टेम्परेचर वहाँ ज्यादा रहेगा। और जहाँ पर साल के ज्यादा लो रहेगा वहां पर कोल्ड क्लाइमेट होगा। ठीक है, तो क्लाइमेट मतलब क्या है? एवरेज वेदर कंडीशन ओवर लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एट अ पार्टिकुलर रीजन। किसी जगह पर लंबे समय तक जो वेदर का कंडीशन होता है वही उसका क्लाइमेट होता है। यस, क्लाइमेट इज द कंडीशन एट पार्टिकुलर टाइम। लंबे समय तक वेदर जो होता है ना वही क्लाइमेट होता है। ठीक है, जैसे मैं अभी बोली कि अगर किसी प्लेस में लंबे समय तक बारिश नहीं होती है तो वहां का क्लाइमेट ड्राई होगा। एम आई क्लियर? क्लाइमेट मीन्स एवरेज, एज एवरेज एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन, एवरेज वेदर। It is the average weather condition at a particular region over a long period of time. किसी जगह पर लंबे समय तक जो वेदर का कंडीशन होता है वही उसका क्लाइमेट कहलाता है। जैसे सपोज एट अ प्लेस द रेनफॉल इज नॉट टेकिंग प्लेस फॉर 9 months, 10 months, 11 months, then most of the time of the year the getting no rainfall. It means that place has which type of climate? Dry climate. And if at a place the temperature for most of the time of the year, then that place has which climate? Cold climate. Yes. Repeat your statement. Yes. Yes, we can say if at low for of the year, then that place has climate. Okay. Now, children, that there are some climatic zones. You read about the climatic zones of India. India is divided into different climatic zones. Like first one is alpine zone. This zone present at higher altitude, and this in this zone the temperature is low because most of the time children in alpine zone it is at high altitude of the Himalayas with snow through the year. This alpine zone is at higher altitude. Okay, high altitude. It is height, height. That is altitude. It is at high altitude and there is snowfall through the year. So this region has which type of climate? It is in alpine zone, cold climate. Okay, different zones. India is divided into four zones. These are climatic zones. क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स मीन्स वहां का क्लाइमेट कैसा है। ठीक है, इंडिया इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स। फर्स्ट इज अल्पाइन जोन। इट इज फाउंड एट हाई एल्टीट्यूड। It is in the Himalayan region. Okay, and this region you throughout the year. Next is subtropical zone. This zone is found in northern part of India. Subtropical zone, here summers are very hot and winters are wet. Temperature may drop down to freezing point in higher ranges. Rainfall is common in summer season and winters are cold and dry. This is the characteristic of subtropical zone and it is in northern part of India. Okay. Next is tropical zone. In this zone you will see children, it is divided into two zones. Tropical wet zone and tropical dry monsoon zone. The characteristic of tropical wet monsoon include average temperature which normally does not fall below 18 degrees Celsius, and here high rainfall is present. And in tropical dry monsoon rainfall is not so common. So if rainfall is not common, it is tropical dry monsoon. If rainfall is there, then it is tropical wet monsoon. So this tropical zone is divided into tropical dry zone and tropical wet zone. Tropical dry zone, monsoon is not there. Tropical wet zone, monsoon is there. Okay. Last zone is arid zone. In this zone, children, the temperature is very high because there is no rainfall. High temperature and low rainfall are the features of this zone. And it is found, this zone, arid zone is found in western part of India, in Rajasthan. Okay, the temperature in this zone may shoot up to high as 50 degrees Celsius in summer. You know, children, Jaisalmer is very hot. Jaisalmer, where it is? Rajasthan. Jaisalmer, you know, very hot. The temperature may Celsius. So it is part of India. It falls in arid zone. Arid zone has very low rainfall and very high temperature. Okay. Few characteristics of arid zone: high temperature, low rainfall. It is found in western part of India, like in Rajasthan. Yes. हाँ बहुत कम है इसलिए वहां पर इरिगेशन क्या ड्रिप इरिगेशन irrigation of different types so they are designed to save water and to overcome the crisis of rainfall there is drip irrigation method. Okay, so you have seen different zones of the India on the basis of what climate. ठीक है, the climate of India divided into climatic zones. There are four climatic zones. And you will remember zone. Like first one you have read alpine zone, then next subtropical zone, then tropical zone, then arid zone. Okay, so you have there are four climatic zones in India. All of you will learn the characteristic zone. Name of climatic zone very important. Names of climatic zones with characteristic. Like first is, can you say first one? Alpine zone. Next is tropical zone and arid zone. Yes. And characteristic. What is the character? What tropical in tropical vaccine two types. tropical and wet tropical. Yes, wet monsoon, tropical, dry monsoon, and arid zone. Okay. Now you will, now children, you will read climate and adaptation. What? Repeat your statement. Rainfall is very low. Okay, children, low. Due to scarcity of rainfall, there is crisis of water also. Water table is also very low. Yes, yes, due to presence of sand. Sand. Okay, day remains very high, and during the night time the temperature falls down. This is the characteristic of arid zone. Now you will read climate and adaptation. About climate, you came to know, children, it is the average weather condition over a long period of time at a particular region. And अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ा? Now I am summing up. I will sum up. What is climate? Climate is the average weather over a long period of time at a particular region. Climate is derived from Greek word klima, which means inclination of the sun. Okay, children? Read that on the basis of climate, there are four climatic zones in India. In, in झुका हुआ है पोजीशन ना, ठीक है, हाँ, दैट इज इंक्लिनेशन. तो अब आप देखते हैं क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स. दीज आर, फर्स्ट वन इज अल्पाइन जोन, देन subtropical zone, then tropical zone. In tropical zone, you have read tropical dry monsoon and tropical wet monsoon. And lastly, you have read arid zone. These are the zones. Okay, in India has four climatic zones. Now you will read about the climate and adaptation. Adaptation is the characters of an organism which enable the organism to survive at a particular place. It enables the organisms or animals to survive in a particular environment. For example, children, you see the fishes can live in water. Can we live in water? Because we are not adapted to live in water. Fishes have characters which enable the fish to survive in water. What are the characters in fishes that survive the fishes to, that help the fishes to survive in water? Like there is presence of gills. Gills are present which help the fishes to breathe oxygen. Similarly, tail is present, fin is present in the fish that help the fish to swim in water. Thank you, children.